This combine class Lexion 750 Tevaka truck came back after 2 years of rental with our local machinery contractor. It is a 4-wheel drive combine, year of construction to 2018. It has a hybrid harvesting system, 616 working hours. The machine was completely checked following the class procedure, and oils and filters were changed if necessary. Another particularity of this combine is the remote telematics control and the production mapping. As you can see, we have also other class combines, Lexion 750 and 730, available that we have at the same maintenance procedures. It has a cabin with air conditioning, a self-leveling channel, equipment for corn, maximal speed of 40 km per hour, and hydrostatic transmissions, and a 4-wheel drive. As you can see, engine, interior cabin and bodywork are in excellent conditions. If you want to know our best offers, just call or write us an email and we will give you our best dedicated quotation.